So this is for the final train of the day, the Grand Central service off to Sunderland. Yes guys, whatever train this is going to be the final train of the day as I have to go. So whilst you're waiting, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching this double crossing video. If you enjoyed, do comment, like and subscribe. And there's a Morrison's truck in the background, which I think could be a Yankee Echo, but I'm not sure. So there we go, this is going to be the Grand Central, unless any other sudden surprises come. Yes, it is our 180 Atlante. Right, we've got this. And then there guys, there are going to be Roblox videos up at some point. Yes, thank you. Fingers crossed.